there's no picture of you drinking.
I got that all on tape. I stopped it now, but I mean, I got it all on tape.
Alright, let's do something. Cut the turkey already.
Alright, cut the turkey. Don't do that, Philip!
Okay.
Let him cut the turkey.
Cut the turkey.
Cut the turkey.
You're so bad.
It is so bad because
That's so disgusting.
they melted.
That's disgusting. Oh, Dad.
Happy birthday to you.
There's wax on the turkey.
I couldn't help that.
Oh, that's gross. Oh.
I didn't. It was only a. Take it out. It was only a few seconds ago.
They're stuck in the turkey and they melted out. Oh, I can't eat that.
So the turkey's dead.
No crap. Oh, Dad. How are we gonna eat this? You ruined my Thanksgiving.
Thank you, number 85.
Dad, there's wax in the turkey. Like inside of it.
Yeah, like in the turkey.
In the turkey.
Dad, get off the camera. Let's go. Oh. I can't eat this. We'll have to eat off the bottom. This is making me nauseous. That's just dead.
In Minnesota, they can't eat the turkey. Chaska people suck. Yeah. Chaska people suck because they can't eat the turkey.